Welcome to this technical guide on the TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM31 panel isn't adjusting properly, you're likely experiencing a common issue that can occur over time due to wear or a buildup of debris. If left unattended, this problem can lead to further damage, making it more difficult and costly to repair. But don't worry, we're here to help you fix it. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement adjustment mechanism. Begin by ensuring your TM31 is unplugged and on a stable surface. Carefully use the small Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the edges. Once the panel is open, locate the adjustment mechanism, which is often situated near the panel center. Inspect it for any visible damage or obstruction that may be causing the malfunction. If you find debris, use the tweezers to remove it carefully. If the mechanism is broken, take hold of it and disconnect any cables attached, noting their positions for reassembly. After removing the faulty part, take your replacement adjustment mechanism and install it in the same position. Reconnect the cables as they were before, making sure they are secure but not overly tight to avoid damaging them. As you start to reassemble the TM31, ensure the back panel fits snugly and aligns properly. Replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, applying gentle pressure to secure them without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, plug in your TM31 and test the panel adjustment. If it moves smoothly, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make it a habit to regularly clean around the panel and avoid forcing any adjustments. Keeping your device in a dust-free environment can significantly prolong its lifespan and functionality. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.